What's up guys, in this tutorial I'll show you the best methods for you to lower your ping on Roblox and fix any high ping issues you might be experiencing on your PC. Start by opening Roblox on your device and launching any Roblox game on your device. So go ahead and select a game that you want to launch. Click on that play button to be able to launch that on your device. Now in here, go ahead and wait for the game to load. And after this loads, you'll be able to find this Roblox icon at the top left corner of your screen. So click on that. Now in here, go ahead and head over to the settings section. Scroll down and you'll be able to find performance stats. So look for performance stats and turn this on. Now once you turn that on, you'll be able to find your ping on the right side of your screen. So as you can see in here, my current ping is 119.58 ms, which is quite high ping. To improve it, let's verify your current internet connection by heading over into speedtest.net or fast.com on your device. So go ahead and use your browser on your device. And here, just go ahead and click on the continue on the web button and click on go to start your speed test. You're looking for low ping, which is usually under 100 millisecond with a decent download and upload speed. If your internet speed is low or your ping is high, this could be the main reason of your log in Roblox. So as you can see on the result of my speed test, my download speed is 148.24 or ping 19 milliseconds. If you're using VPN on your device, try disabling it while playing Roblox, as this can often cause a higher ping. However, if you're not using your VPN and you're experiencing high ping due to the network throttling or regional restrictions, try using a VPN to see if it helps on lowering the ping by connecting you through a different server. Sometimes the issue might not be on your end, but with a specific Roblox server or game you're trying to play. Switching to a different game or server to see if your ping improves, this can help determine if the problem is specific to a certain game or if it's more general. If you feel like you usually have a stable internet connection when gaming, then head over to status.roblox.com to see if the problem is potentially caused by the Roblox server. And those are the best ways to lower your ping on Roblox. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.